Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Stano Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. It is submitted that when the suit is pending in the High Court and it is dealing with all the points which have been referred to in the SAD FIR, how far the SAD investigation should be permitted to be continued, which is causing annoyance to the petitioner and hampering his fundamental rights. Stop. He submitted that the points raised in the SAD FIR totally indicating a civil dispute and those allegations are void of any substance. Stop. They do not spell out any offense and therefore the investigation needs to be quashed. Stop. He placed reliance on two judgments of the Supreme Court wherein the Supreme Court held that if an offense is disclosed, the High Court under Article 226 of the Constitution will not normally interfere with an investigation into the case and will permit investigation into the offense alleged to be completed if, however, the materials do not disclose on offense. No investigation should normally be permitted. Stop. Justice requires that a person who commits an offense has to be brought to book and must be punished for the same. Stop. If the court interferes with the proper investigation in a case where an offense has been disclosed, the offense will go unpunished to the serious detriment of the welfare of the society and the cause of the justice suffers. Stop. It is on the basis of this principle that the court normally does not interfere with the investigation of a case where an offense has been disclosed. Stop. But it cannot be said that an investigation must necessarily be permitted to continue and will not be permitted by the court at the stage of investigation. Stop. Whether an offense has been disclosed or not must necessarily depend on the facts and circumstances of each particular case. Stop. If on a consideration of the relevant materials the court is satisfied that an offense is disclosed, the court will normally not interfere with the investigation into the offense and will generally allow the investigation in the offense to be completed for collecting materials for proving the offense. Stop. If, on the other hand, the court, on a consideration of the relevant materials, is satisfied that no offense is disclosed, it will be the duty of the court to interfere with any investigation and to stop the same to prevent any kind of uncalled for and unnecessary harassment to an individual. Stop. Para. Act us non facit reum mens sit rea. Stop. The intention behind the acts is to be understood. Stop. In respect of the offences which are now in question, so far as the present matter is concerned, all offences need existence of an intention to commit an offense with dishonesty. Stop. These has to be dishonest intention of causing wrongful loss to the person aggrieved and wrongful gain to person who is to be the target of the investigation and resultant prosecution. Stop. The documents on record, the material on record unequivocally held that there is a civil dispute between the parties and both the petitioner and are trying to separate from each other in respect of the company's concerns, partnership firms in which they are directors, partners, or shareholders. Stop. Therefore, a memorandum of understanding has been executed between them not by themselves but by taking the help of a solicitor firm. Stop. The said solicitor firm's letter of billing shows that at least 3 meetings were held in that context. Stop. For what purpose there was need of executing a memorandum of understanding between the present petitioner and the said, the thing is obvious that they were not in a position to pull on cordially and therefore they decided to separate from each other. Stop. Another reason appears to be significantly cropping up, showing that who happens to be residing at Hong Kong is not in a position to supervise the things in India. Stop. It appears that he has appointed to be his manager and said visited that flat at where he saw that lock was made faultily as per the allegations made in the said FIR. Stop. Other documents as submitted by show that the present petitioner was the person who was entrusted with the work of getting the letter for using said flat for commercial purpose by the competent authority for property. Stop. It means that there has been indication of civil dispute between the present petitioner and the said, the dispute between the parties. Stop. It was submitted that the petition was held on 12/01/2020. Stop.